Lack of nutrition can cause your hair to fall out. Excessive amounts of sugary, fatty foods can cause your hair to fall out. Today we will see how to stop hair loss and grow new hair. Fast take add 8 to 10 aloe vera cubes in bowl. Aloe vera has long been used for treating hair loss. It also soothes the scalp and conditions hair. It can reduce dandruff and unblock hair follicles that may be blocked by excess oil. You can apply pure aloe vera gel to your scalp and hair a few times per week. Add half cup coconut oil. Coconut oil may have several benefits for your hair and scalp. Using it as a hair mask and leave-in treatment may help moisturize and seal hair. This can help prevent a dry, flaky scalp and dandruff, as well as split ends and hair breakage. Add 1 tablespoon fenugreek seeds. Fenugreek seeds are often used as an at-home treatment for hair loss and dandruff. They can be taken as a supplement or applied topically. Research supporting the seeds' efficacy for these purposes is sparse, though some evidence suggests that they may promote hair growth and stronger hair follicles. Mix well. Boil it. Keep on stirring your mixture for 5 more minutes, so that all of your ingredients are blended together. Once everything is blended and ready to go, let your prepared mixture cool down for 5 more minutes. You can apply this remedy to your scalp and hair. Gently massage yours for a good 15 minutes. Leave it in your hair for at least 2 hours. You can apply this remedy 3 times a week, and in about 2 weeks' time, you will see a difference. Make sure you massage your scalp for 15 minutes, since this will promote a healthy blood flow, which means better circulation, which leads to faster and healthier hair growth. Thanks for watching this video. If you want to get more solution, please subscribe our channel.